So guess what day it is today? Annabelle Hydrangea Day. So what we're going to do today is get these all ready for spring. So our Annabelle hydrangeas can get to be about 3 to 5 feet tall and wide. They're tough little flowers. They're easy to grow. Have a really nice little summer bouquet on your table. And they're also good for drying. You can cut these and hang them upside down, dry them out, bring the outdoors in. This one's pretty new. We just put this in here last summer. So what we're going to do is give it just a little bit of a trim here. You can take these right down to the ground and they'll flush back in the spring and give you lots of nice big flowers. But I'm going to leave some of the woody growth on there just to give it a little extra support so it doesn't flop. They're also like a rose. You can cut them back 1/3 if you want to go that route too. You're going to cut right above the buds. You want to do this late winter or early spring, and that way you don't have to worry about losing any flowers. Any dead wood or weak stems too, you might want to give them a little snip and get rid of them. You can also cut to shape. So just keep that in mind when you're trimming up. So we're going to cut right above the buds here. So you can see where these flowers have broken, but right below them there are the buds. That's where I'm going to probably cut these ones. Make your cuts at a 45-degree angle. So because these flower on new growth, as long as you do this early in the spring, you can cut it right back and it'll still flower. If you're not sure if any branches are live, just give it a little scrape if you're not sure there, and that'll help you also to know if it's dead or alive. If it's green, you know it's alive. If it's just brown, then it's dead. So there we are. We have it all nice and cleaned up. So here you can see where I've made all my little cuts, just right above where there's a set of buds. And I left a couple a little bit taller, give it a rounded look when it grows in. And so we'll just see how it feels in now. So come on, spring, let's go. So we're all done with our little Annabelle hydrangeas too, and I just want to say thanks for popping by, and we'll catch you on the next one. So hope you got your little Annabelles done, and thanks for popping by, and we'll catch you on the next one. Don't wreck your rose.